Gotcha.
Yeah. Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
Look it. And it's got shoulder pads in it.
You gotta pull it down. There you go.
And it's got a chin strap.
Why?
To keep it so it doesn't fall off. And look, you got pants.
He looks like a...
Switching to Geico saved you 50% or more car insurance.
But where's the shoe? The shoe.
I don't have the shoes. You'll have to talk to Daddy about the shoes. That's his department. Stand up.
Oh my goodness, that is so cute.
Come stand up.
Pull chains off the door.
We were about 2 miles from Montana when we pulled miles. Don't put the pants on.
Daddy, look
Yeah,
at
take
him.
your shoes and pants off.
Daddy.
Now take your pants off.
Look at him.
Stand up.
It looks like a little football player.
That's what he's going to be for Halloween.
Yeah.
Go look at Mom.
Dixon! What do you think? Is that cool?
I don't know if the battery's charged.
Look at your face.
Little green dot in the back there.
I'm deciding without a helmet.
Okay, stand up. Let me see my turn. Take a picture. Stop there. Stop, stop.
You're too close.
Okay, go grrr.
Let's do that one
You made
again.
him look away when he
Go like this. Go grrr. Put your arms like that. Ready? Look at me. Okay, so grrr.
do your mean face.
Hey.
Run! You don't have a fighter!
Are you a beaver, Dixon?
Are you a beaver?
Beaver!
Go Beavers!